The TikTok Creativity Beta Program is currently setting the internet on fire, offering a sweet deal of around $1 for every 1,000 views. Surprisingly, even beginners are raking in a staggering $10,000 to $100,000 monthly without revealing their faces or using fancy camera equipment. Don't believe me? Take a look at this TikTok account in the Creativity Program at Interesting Truth, boasting 1.1 million followers. Check out all their videos with millions of views. If you divide those millions of views by 1,000, you'll catch a glimpse of the crazy money they rake in from each video. Let me break it down for you. For instance, they posted a video titled "Interesting Facts You Didn't Know" with 50.3 million views. When you crunch the numbers, you'll realize they pocketed over $50,000 from just that one video. There are many TikTok creators out there pulling in this incredible amount of cash. It's all thanks to TikTok's viral nature, making it a breeze to rack up millions of views with every video you drop. You can join the league of these successful creators. It is your turn to shine. But what if you're not in the US, UK, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, or Korea, where the program is currently available? No worries, I've cracked the code to bypass the eligibility criteria. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 ways to join the TikTok Creativity Program from anywhere in the world. And trust me, it's not as complicated as you might think. Sure, there are some criteria to meet, like being 18 or older, having at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and operating from a personal account. Sorry, business accounts are a no-go. Now, let's delve into the details. The first, and probably the easiest and most effective option, is to acquire a US TikTok account. You're likely to receive better pay-per-thousand views with a US account, translating to higher earnings from the Creativity Program. To grab a US TikTok account, simply click the link provided at the top of the description below. It will direct you to a page that resembles this. Take the plunge and secure yourself a US TikTok account. Ensure you meticulously follow all the instructions on using the account. Otherwise, the algorithm will know that you're not in the US and may cease promoting your content. As a bonus, I've arranged a 20% discount for you if you use the link in my description along with the code EarningsBlueprint. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, make sure to take advantage of that. The second choice is a bit different. You just need to grab a low-cost phone, something that can take a SIM card. You can find these on eBay or any place in your country that sells secondhand stuff. After that, you just need a SIM card from a country that's allowed. You can easily find one on eBay or Amazon. The SIM card ships for free, so if your country accepts it, that's great. Now here's the next step. Do a factory reset on the phone, put in the SIM card, and voila! Then you can create a Gmail account on that phone. Then create a TikTok account on that phone using the created email. Remember, don't connect to Wi-Fi, just use cellular data. This way, TikTok will think you're really in that country and they won't give you any trouble. Option number 3 is using a computer and a VPN. Make sure you pick a good VPN, one that's reliable. Stay away from free VPNs, they might get you in trouble later. The one I've been using for ages is ExpressVPN, and all the creators I've worked with use it too. There's a link to ExpressVPN in the description if you want to check it out. Once you've got a VPN, change to a country that's allowed, go to an existing account, and remember, it won't automatically make it eligible. So, connect to the VPN, go to Google Chrome, open a new browser, and create a Gmail or Outlook account. Just a quick tip, use a new browser. Then, on your computer, make a TikTok account, and that's all. Before you post something, make sure to connect to the VPN to the country where you were last connected every time before you open that browser. With these tricks, you can now access the TikTok Creativity Program from anywhere. If it doesn't show up right away, it might take a few hours or days. So now that you've joined the TikTok Creativity Program, stay tuned for our next video, where you'll learn how to make those cool TikTok trending videos using AI and a growth strategy to help you grow faster. It's a total guide. See you there. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful content.